This intro to Wing Chun is going to cover the center point, the center line. First, I'll start with the center point. So to find your center point, you'll want to take where your vertical midline, which is the line that runs up and down the middle of your body, dissected with your horizontal midline, and where those 2 points meet in the middle is where your center point is located. I know my center point is right here. Next, the center line. The center line starts at your center point and goes out to the nearest available target. To demonstrate with a punch can go straight out or it can go to the side. And this will be my center line going out to the side here. To the back, turn around, punch to the rear, punch to the front. That is the center line. If you'd like to download a list of Wing Chun terms that'll help you study at home, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you're ready for another Wing Chun lesson, check out the Wing Chun footwork video here. I'll see you there.